Welcome to Crocheting with ZITELLE. Today, we're gonna learn how to make a slip knot. Every single crochet project starts with a slip knot. So I'm gonna show you one of my favorite ways to begin a project. That way, all of your projects can start and end with quality. The first thing you wanna do is unwind the yarn until it's about 7 to 8 inches. Then, grab closest to the yarn ball and pull up. With your other hand, squeeze together the two pieces of yarn, creating a loop. Grab the top of the loop and fold towards your chest down, picking up your thumb and putting your thumb in the middle of the loop, creating 2 bunny ears. Grab your hook and put your hook through the right bunny ear, grabbing the left bunny ear and pulling the left side through the right side and lift straight up. And there you have it, your first slip knot. Now, to get your slip knot tighter around the hook, grab the shorter end of the yarn and pull down until the loop is tight on your hook. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to our channel. If you have questions, we'll answer them. If you have comments, we'll read them. See you next time.